Welcome, and thank you for picking up my affiliate promo machine system. This setup is built for almost any folder-based AI agent. It works especially well in Codex as a project folder workflow. You can also use it in Claude Code, OpenClaw, Hermes, or a similar coding agent. As long as it can read and edit files there, the workflow should work. After you unzip the package, you will see the main project folder. Inside that folder are the instruction files and assets the agent needs, so keep everything together. Copy the full folder into your Claude Code, Codex, or Cowork project folder. Then open your agent and create a new project from that existing folder. Choose the folder, give the project a clear name, and start it. I have already done that here, so we can continue from the prepared project. The first step is to ask Codex or Claude to read the project. Then tell it to get started with the setup. The agent will ask a series of questions so it can personalize the campaign files. It begins with your name, brand, and basic business details. For the review site address, if you do not have a final place yet, tell it that this will be added later. Next, it asks for your contact email and your main site or page link. If you want backlinks pointing to your main site, enter that URL here. Then it collects the site operator details, including company name and your name. It also asks for the postal address and autoresponder information. After that, you can choose the design for the site. You can upload your own design, describe the look you want, or choose one of the prepared options. If you already have a community, you can add it here as well. If you do not have one yet, this is a good reminder to start building one. The setup asks what the community is about and what the community should be called. Tracking and analytics are handled through the SEO and tracking add-on. The AWeber sign-up form is part of the standard setup and does not require that add-on. The exit intent pop-up is also included without the upgrade. If you do not already have a main lead magnet, the workflow can create one for you. It also creates the redirect and thank you page where the lead magnet can be downloaded. Then the agent asks where the finished site should be deployed. In this example, I tested deployment with Codex sites. It works, but the setup flow is a little different, as you can see here. I have already updated the project, so this should work more smoothly going forward. If you run into something like this, let the agent apply the needed fixes and continue. Next, it asks for more information about your brand. Here, I simply pasted the text I wanted to use. That text becomes the basis for the About Me page. Before anything is uploaded or deployed, the agent asks for confirmation. It shows the information again, waits for your approval, and then deploys the page. You can deploy to Netlify, Versal, Codex sites, GPT sites, or another page's host. The exact deployment method decides how future bonuses can be uploaded and updated later. If the host supports it, the workflow can upload generated bonuses directly into the campaign. If it does not, you may need to connect Google Drive or another file host for automatic delivery. The final site that came out is not this placeholder preview, it is this finished page here. Overall, it looks good even though there is no review content on the page yet. The legal links are already working and the required details are filled in. The exit intent pop-up is also ready to capture leads, and that is included in the base setup. That gives you the basic lead capture structure. Later, when you build an affiliate promo, it can create a lead magnet for that specific promo. You can use that whenever it fits the campaign. It creates the download page and uses the same opt-in form by default. Inside your autoresponder, you can split or tag those leads separately if needed. The lead magnet itself is delivered directly. So you do not need a separate sequence just to deliver the file. That is the basic setup. You are asked for the information the workflow needs to know about you. If the agent already knows you, it may suggest many of those answers automatically. In this example, I installed the new Codex desktop app and used it for the setup. The SEO and tracking add-on is what unlocks tracking and SEO optimization. It also powers the self-optimizing loop that improves the workflow over time. That loop is built around real campaign feedback. After each promo campaign, it can suggest what to change next. That might include instructions to add, remove, or adjust in the project files. So the system can learn from your workflow, your preferences, and the way you actually run promotions. Thank you for watching. In the next video, I will show you how to run a promo campaign from start to finish. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next video.